So welcome back to Hing's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make drumstick sambar. Very authentic recipe that best goes with steamed rice or even with idli, dosa and pongal. Very easy to make, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a pressure cooker, add half cup of toor dal, quarter teaspoon of jeera, a green chilli, 5 garlic pods, a pinch of hing or asafoetida, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of cooking oil. Then add 3 cups of water and pressure cook for 4 whistles until the dal is nicely done. Now the pressure has settled, so let's open and check. The dal is perfectly done. Give it a nice mix and set it aside. Heat a mud pot and add 3 cups of water. To this add 8 shallots, 1 tomato roughly chopped, 1 drumstick cut into pieces, half teaspoon of turmeric powder and a teaspoon of salt. Give it a nice mix and let this cook for 10 minutes until the drumstick is nicely done. Then add the dal mixture to it and mix well. Then add half cup of tamarind juice and mix it well. Let this come to a boil. Now let's temper it. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Add few curry leaves, 2 dried red chillies, 1 onion thinly sliced and a teaspoon of sambar powder. Give it a quick mix and add it directly to the sambar. Mix it well. Let the sambar nicely boil for 2 more minutes and then you can off the flame and add some chopped coriander leaves. Now a delicious drumstick sambar is ready. You can serve this drumstick sambar with a bowl of steamed rice and enjoy with your family and friends. Very authentic and delicious South Indian recipe. So do try this drumstick sambar at your home and write back to me a feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit Hing's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to Hing's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.